How to find Swift code of Scotiabank. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find Swift code of Scotiabank. Now let's get started. In order to find the Swift code, there are multiple ways. First, you can check the code on the checkbook right at the bottom, which will be indicated as Swift code. The second way to check the code is online. So for that, open up or log in into your online banking Scotiabank application. You'll be led to the home page. So tap on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. You will now be taken to the settings page. Here, tap on the profile icon and you will be able to see the account info option. Tap on that, and then in the details you see here, you will also be able to find your Swift code. You can also simply tap on deposit check option and then tap on the view button in the right corner, and here too you will be able to find your Scotiabank Swift code. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.